CIOs, now more process-driven than ever, play a crucial role in addressing scaling demands, cybersecurity, and maintaining intricate IT governance. Achieving robust ROIs on technology projects, exceeding customer expectations, and having seamless technology integrations adds layers of complexity. Enter Acumatica by Cloud9 ERP Solutions, your key to overcoming these hurdles. Beyond traditional software, Acumatica provides a scalable solution, fortifying cybersecurity and streamlining workflows, aligning seamlessly with the modern CIO's process-driven approach. Harness the power of our tech stack and open APIs to integrate applications effortlessly and bid farewell to non-integrated platforms. Ready to elevate your IT game? Embrace the transformative power of Acumatica, where challenges become opportunities. Click below to schedule a personalized demo today.